Hi everyone, here we are in the swimming pool of the Courtyard Marriott, King Kamehameha in Kona, Big Island, Hawaii. We love this hotel, we've stayed here twice now. While you watch our video of the hotel facilities, I can tell you that this hotel is very central and very close to everything Kona has to offer. There's a pool bar and a restaurant which opens out onto a beach. And on the beach there's a kiosk where you can hire all your water sports equipment. The hotel has a large car park and a small shopping mall, including an ABC store, shave ice, gift shops and galleries. The hotel also has a very informative museum about Hawaiian history. Towards the end of our video, you will see our room and our balcony view. We booked a queen room with a partial ocean view. The room was very comfortable and clean, and the view was great. Please watch our video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like.